Now I'm climbing up. You can see debris here. Debris. I'm in the living room right now. Some painting has been going on here. The last time I shot a video here, there was priming. Today, this has been painted. Of course, the floor has not been dealt with yet. I'm moving to the family room. You can see the walls have been painted. See the ceiling. And on to the kitchen. It's like painting work started here, not completed yet. We're still in the kitchen. Basically, many of these walls painting has begun, and the workers are here. Move to the next room on my left. Again, painting going on. Back to the hallway. You can see a new wall is being put up here for the new bathroom that these two bedrooms will share. I'll move back to the master bedroom. Here we're entering the master bedroom. Has been painted. Debris on the floor. And this will be an entrance to the master bathroom. Still a lot of work. A lot of work is going on here. See the walls are being installed. Roof of it. Okay. We're exiting the master bathroom. Back to the master bedroom. Again, this is how much progress has been made today, and the workers are here. They are showing me the painting will progress a lot by the end of the day. Okay. This is the living room again. On to the front balcony.